Energy, 2 terajoules.
See the amplifier.
We're lucky the drones didn't trigger it while we were taking electromagnetic readings. This is a weapon, powerful enough.
Enough to melt through 50 feet of solid rock to bury itself. Imagine what it could do to a person.
Yeah, or an airplane. For example.
Hunger Games?
Matterhorn. One of 100 books my SO gave me that I'm just getting around to. SO, supervising officer.
Got it. Hackers definitely go too, but I'll pick yours up. I feel like you and me, wrong foot. Can I buy you a drink? What I said before, when I said the uprising was, whatever I said, a good thing, I don't want you to think I'm oblivious. What I was talking about was the tweets.
Tweets. You trying to make things better or worse?
Peruvians have organized for the first time in decades. Thousands of suffering people who've never